Buckle your seatbelts, folks. Aeration and Seating 2021 with Rob from Turf Therapy and my buddy Josh. Ready? 1, 2, 3, let's go. What's up guys, Aiden here, Ace Landscaping. Welcome back to another video. Today in this video, Aeration and Seating 2021, as you can see from that buttery B-roll you just saw. What'd you guys think of that? Big shout out to Rob from Turf Therapy for filming a lot of that B-roll and coming along for the day. We had such a great time. Trying to keep the talking down to a minimum today. I just want to show you guys all the fun we had. Through some video footage Rob was able to grab on my camera, his camera, putting everything together today to show you what it was like to be part of Aeration and Seating 2021. We completed the end of September. Guys, without further ado, let's get back to the video and enjoy some of that buttery B-roll. See you then. Guys, Aiden here. Got Rob's GoPro 10. Nice camera, honestly. And we're wrapping up the last Aeration and Seating of 2021 just as the sun goes down. And Rob's been getting on me and not doing any talking today. So here is my talking. But check this out. Turn this way. Woo, woo. We're pulling pretty good cores here. This is just a aeration and fertilizer. Lawn's pretty thick, so we don't need much seed. And my boy Rob is done, and he is right here. We got one aerator and we did like 2 acres with it. I want to show you guys this camera real quick. Well, we have some leftover seed. Guys, if you haven't gotten your seed yet, seed's up to $125 a bag. This is Let's Go All Pro Transition. Crazy.
You want me to go knock out your yard?
I don't know. Should we do it? Check out this camera.
We still got plenty of light.
Here we go, guys, catching the last little bit of daylight here. I just wanted to wrap this video up right here, right now. Aeration and Seeding 2021. The current date is just before Thanksgiving, November 23rd or 24th. Here's my dad's lawn. Looks pretty darn good. It needs a leaf cleanup. All things considered, pretty pleased with how it turned out. All the way up at the hill up there's another one we did actually. That one looks even better than this one. This year we didn't get as much rain as I would have liked to have. You know, it is what it is. I can't control the weather. If I could, I would not be here creating YouTube videos. I would be doing much bigger and better things. Nah, I'm just messing with you guys. I love doing this. Trying to get back into it here, right now. I want to give a big shout out to Rob from Turf Therapy, who is officially overseas in Germany now. But man, it was a pleasure hanging out with you, brother, for the day. We got a lot done. I don't know, aeration and seeding, brother, can be hard work, but boy, did we have fun with it. And we made the best of it, so that was awesome. Other than that, we blew through 5 bags of seed. I wanted to get all of your all's opinion on the seed prices. For me, it went from $85 a bag to $125 a bag. That's from Site One Landscape Supply, all the seed. I was hearing some seed shortage with the wildfires caused the seed to kind of stop production or something like that out in the West or something like that. If you guys have any feedback or know anything on that topic about the seed prices or any stories of how much your seed got increased for this year, leave me a comment down below. I'm curious to hear about that, but totally crazy. Honestly, personally, kind of messed me up a little bit because I had all these aeration seedings contracted in from last year. And I didn't go back on any of these clients for an increase in price because it was locked in. Asking for more money. I mean, I probably could have, but morally, I didn't feel comfortable doing that. So I took the loss for profits in terms, I still made money, but I just didn't make as much money. As terms of next year, 2022, I don't think I'm going to lock in any aeration and seeding prices until maybe a month to 6 weeks, 6 weeks to a month before aeration and seeding, just so that I can cover all my overhead in terms of seed. But yeah, it is what it is. We've been having crazy supply shortages from plants to seed to, you know, you name it. But my suppliers have been doing a great job getting us everything we need, and I can't be more thankful for that. Anyway, guys, not going to bore you out with any more talking than this has already been. Really appreciate you guys staying tuned to the video. It means a lot to me. Thanks again, guys. With that, I'm Aiden from Aiden Landscaping. Thank you for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.